I had always dreamt about putting up my own single-story home. 2020, when you finally decided to look for a house, it had been already renovated 8 years. There's always sunlight into the dining room. My wife, her favorite spot is right here, where she would just come every morning, just open up the doors, sit there, have a coffee, just listening to the water feature wall. As for me, it's my TV room. My TV room is where perfectly well designed to be like a home where I can watch all my sports. So I can't get out of there. Whether it's movies or sports, I'm just there. I just love my TV room. The philosophy of my house was, I'm a minimalist. When you step into my house, one look at it, there's nothing much. No fantastic walls. It's a very minimalist is what I would say is the theme for the house.
This house was renovated less than 7 years ago, and the entire transformation took just 4 months. What you're looking at is a full renovation from a dated design to a modern home. Today, I'm sitting down with the seller to hear the story about this house. Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan. This is Bukit Gasing single-story bungalow house.
I'm Shankar Ramo. This is my home. So it was only 2020 when you finally decided to look for a house to buy. So we looked around section 12. Finally, I found this place in section 5. I came in here when I was 50. My wife was fantastic. She said, let's go down our road. There are 6 cul-de-sac roads here along 5/10. So each cul-de-sac road has about 14 houses. So she said, in our 14 houses, we'll give some cookies away and say, hello, we are here. So they were all very, very friendly, very, very pleasant. As they said, 5/10. We've got our own residence station, and there hasn't been any breakthrough into any house for the last 10 years, since 2016, since we've set up the guard house there. The guards are fantastic. They come walking along here, your road in front of your house, every 2 hours once. After 12 o'clock midnight, every hourly, they'll be walking. Even if your gate is open, they'll ring the bell and they'll tell you your gate is open, your door is open. That's how they are. It had been already renovated 8 years prior to me picking it up. It only had 3 rooms. I've got my 3 kids, so it wouldn't be something which I would want it to be. I would tell you that where we are sitting right now, when we first bought the place, this was the patio. And this wall was the wall to 2 of their children's rooms. They had 2 rooms with a sharing bathroom. So when we picked it up, it having only 3 rooms, a master bedroom with 2 children's rooms, it certainly was not sufficient for me wanting to provide each of my 3 kids a room for them. The main guy who helped kind of design this place was a guy called Leslie. He tried 8 times before he could redesign the entire floor plan of this house. Version H eventually was, we extended this 18 feet to provide us with a living room, and we wanted a guest room, which is just behind this wall. Yeah, we've got a guest room. All the 5 rooms in this house is ensuite with a bathroom, and each of these 3 rooms are measured accurately to the same size and same design. Only thing they were allowed to change was the color of their own room. Right behind this wall, we've got our TV room, and then a prayer room, and then our dining, which is with broad daylight. Sunlight is there always. There's always sunlight into the dining room, which is what my wife wanted. And that wall there, which is blocked off now, was the main entrance to the house. So that wall now has got my eldest son's room, and then comes the two other kids' room. He started doing, after the plans getting approved by MPPJ, stamped and sealed, with that plan, Stephen was given to start this whole renovation work on December 15th. Eventually, Stephen got it done brilliantly, 4 months and 10 days. He had done a very, very good job, and I was very happy that my family had a home to move into. Well, why 4 months? I would guess because, well, I got to look at the whole sensibility of doing it, because this front 18 feet, well, you needed to have brand new pillars and brand new structure. The rest of the place at the back there, it was just internal walls for my 3 rooms, for breaking off of my kitchen walls to make it a little an open kitchen kind of concept. And so internally there was not much to be done, and he agreed to it. So that means he knew it was a sensible target period. Yeah.
The windows here and the sliding door that opens up to the water features. It's a small details, but it changes the entire feels of the space. It's calm, quiet, and relaxing. And it's not just one spot. The house is built with sufficient window placement to allow natural lights comes in from a living, dining, and kitchen area.
Well, the house is a home. That's what I want it to be. And like my wife, her favorite spot is right here. So it's where she would just come every day, every morning, just open up the doors, sit there, have a coffee, just listening to the water feature wall. She just loves that whole idea of that part of it. So as for me, it's my TV room. My TV room is where perfectly well designed to be like a home where I can watch all my sports, especially all my football games, and so I can't get out of there. Whether it's movies or sports, I'm just there. I just love my TV room. The philosophy of my house was, I'm a minimalist. So when you step into my house, one look at it, there's nothing much, no fantastic walls. It's a very minimalist is what I would say is the theme for the house. So one of the things which someone walks in, and then if we didn't tell him there's the wall in my dining, which is similar to the wall in my master bedroom. That's the only 2 walls whereby everybody looking at the dining room wall would think, oh, that's wallpaper. Actually, it's not. It's flexible tiles. As you step in, you can see a a long hallway, but the wall was totally bare. Then one day I saw a long piece of art in Purple House, and I was so lucky. On that day, the owner, Mr. Bishma, just walked into the place, and I just asked him, "Could you come along with me, please, and have a look and see whether this piece..." I saw that piece and I thought it fitted it went perfectly well for my hallway. He came with me, he looked at it, then he suggested the wainscoting with that one wall piece along there and a couple of other pieces now there as well. Has changed that wall, that hallway wall totally.
This property is currently out for sales. If you're looking for a beautifully renovated home that feels brand new, this could be yours. To arrange a private viewing, contact the listing agent at the number below. And if you like this episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Jonathan, showcasing property as its best light, confidence, and clarity. I will see you next time.